the car. Best car. Alright, what's up, people? We're on the way to Showtime now. We got Michael in the front. A homie I met just recently, Jay in the front. Michael in the back, Jay in the front, sorry. I got some wheels. That's all I got. So, I'm gonna try to get some footage as best as possible, but I haven't set up anything, and just like normal, I'm rushing, and yeah, so we're gonna try our best. There's Michael. You see him. Gotta get some B-roll for the YouTubes. We here. Of course. Where do you normally go? We just made our first run. Hopefully, oh damn, the line's moving again. Ooh, hold on. We're going for a second run. My boy Jay's in front. He's sending it. He's sending his first one pretty good. So, good on you, bro. Chaz told my cousin that he was gonna go. I was eating cones.
The one cone.
Little tire change in the pits, my fellas. That last one, dude, was so bad. I'll show you guys this wheel real quick. It's fucking insane, kinda. Oh, I think that might be the reason why my run wasn't that great, but I could be tripping. But we're going to put new tires on, and hopefully it's good. good run today, but hopefully those tires to hold up the whole time home. We got far to go, like an hour. Hope you guys like this. I had fun. We didn't hit a wall yet.